Number 1.
Here, ma'am.
Okay, which of the following components of scientific investigation describes that the findings may give a solution? Okay, let's take out your answer ha. Number 1, you have
C.
C. Number 2,
D.
D. Number 3,
What is the last step in finding a solution to a problem using the scientific method? Wait. B.
B. Number 4,
B.
B. Number 5,
A.
number 6,
D.
D. Number 7,
D.
7,
A.
number 8,
A. Ah,
8 na.
D.
D. Number 9,
I don't know about B.
B. Your guess. Number 10,
Okay, I don't know this one. A.
A. Number 11,
A.
number 12,
100 C. 100 C. So Fahrenheit is higher than C, diba?
secret.
So I think B.
B. You think B. Next, number 13,
What is this again? B.
B. Number 14, in meters.
Why? So not A. 2 inches. I'm trusting my gut and go with C.
C. Number 15, how many significant figures?
A.
8.
I think.
Okay. 15 is letter B. Okay. So this one po kuya, sa ating discussion po, we are going to... Okay. So start tayo with this one kuya. So do you believe kuya that in the past, people attempted to explain the various phenomena in the environment? Gusto mo ba maging ano kaya, someday astronaut? You don't
No.
want? Why you don't want man?
G-force.
G-force. Oh.
The fact that you're in space.
Yeah. So this one kuya answers the problems were entirely based on qualitative observations without undertaking scientific inquiries. So looking back, some ancient and pre-Socratic philosophers like Anaximander, Thales, Leucippus, and Democritus believe in the flat earth. So sa kanilang thinking to kuya, in their thinking before, in ancient times, what happened to our earth daw?
Flat.
Flat. Ano yung example ng flat? This one. So di ba kuya, for example, if you are walking or if you are going to your house kuya, did you see ba kuya that the earth kuya, or when you try to drive the earth, does this one kuya? Di ba hindi? We see it kuya as a flat. Pero this one kuya, di ba you already know naman kuya that earth is not flat, di ba? It is round shape kuya. Yeah, I thought ngayon mo pa narinig. So this one po kuya, with the discoveries and development in the field of maritime and astronomy, are you fine with ano kuya? How do you say this one?
Star.
That one, like, just like you connect the stars,
I know.
gani? You know that one?
Yeah.
Just like mga Big Dipper, mga ganon. So this one po, the idea of a spherical earth was introduced by, sino nag-introduce? Si Aristotle. And then Eratosthenes and Posidonius, among others in the 15th century, Christopher Columbus proved that the earth was around by sailing west from Spain. So ano yung ginawa ni Christopher Columbus kuya? For example, if this is the circle kuya, ano yung ginawa ni Christopher Columbus? From Spain kuya, yung ginawa niya, nag-travel around the earth siya kuya. So that is why kuya, si Christopher Columbus kuya, hindi siya yung naka-discover ng Philippines. Who discovered the Philippines gani? Magellan.
I forgot na. I hate Arapan.
You hate Aralpan. So it was discovered by Magellan kuya. Pero through the help of Columbus kuya, sabihan niya si Magellan kuya na try to go somewhere else because you will find the Philippines. So for this one po kuya, so for our first topic, so given the ever-changing and complicated nature of the natural world, science plays an increasingly important role. What will happen kuya if we are not going to learn science kuya? What do you think?
Walang cellphone, walang mirror.
Yes, correct kuya. Ibig sabihin, we cannot discover the glasses, we cannot discover the cell phones, we cannot discover the electric fans, and we cannot discover some other parts kuya in our day-to-day living. So for this one, in the face of the global difficulties such as climate change, when you say climate change, what does it mean?
Heating of the world.
Heating of the world. What did you observe, kuya? Di ba, if at night, kuya, what do you feel about the wind, kuya, or the air? It's cold. Pero in the morning, it's very hot. It's because of climate change and environmental degradation. Science provides a means of effectively understand and address these issues. So science is a continuous search for knowledge. So when you were little, kuya, have you remembered some recollections of your past memories, kuya, that you are very curious sa isang bagay, in one thing? Just like, you think of your mind pa na, how does this work? Parang ganun, kuya ba?
Taxes.
Taxes? Ooh, you are very wide knowledge, kuya. How about yung mga cellphones, kuya? Have you tried to question your mind, kuya? How does this small cellphone do some of the games, kuya?
Wala.
Wala ka talaga naka-imagine of that or something question?
No, because I already know about LCD, battery.
Oh, at the time when you were little na, you already knew na?
5, 6, or 7.
Sino nag-explain sa'yo about LCD, the battery?
I forgot.
Baka ano kuya,
Yung mama ko.
when you are watching kuya some of the reels kuya siguro sa YouTube or something, anything related kuya sa cellphone, hindi pa, basta you already know it lang. When we say LCD, what does it mean? For example, in here, saan ang LCD na part? This one. Saan ang battery located? Inside. Okay. Saan na part located ang camera? Saan na located na part ang speaker? At the side. Very good. Or this one, oh, that one. So, ibig sabihin, science came from the Latin word, how do you say this one? Scientia. Ikaw,
Scientia.
Scientia. So, ibig sabihin dito, kuya, which means having knowledge. So, this one, if you don't have enough knowledge, kuya, can you be, ano kuya, or it can be considered ba, kuya, that you have a knowledge or wala?
Wala.
Sure, wait, you have a knowledge, pero little lang. Not that one, yung sa mga iba na very big. So, ganun, kuya. So, involves observation, followed by experimentation, leading to the further observation and experimentation. For example, from the idea of the four-dimensional, do you believe in an alien, kuya?
Most likely.
Most likely. Kaya di ba kuya, in our galaxy kuya, the Earth kuya are very small tiny particles lang. So ako kuya, in my mind kuya, I think lang din na merong aliens kuya. I think they are not just like human, just like us kuya, pero they take in other forms kuya. For example, some of them kuya are cyclops, some of them kuya are very big, some of them they are very small. Because there are reports kuya in the social media, in the internet kuya, na meron sila nakita ng mga UFO. You know what's UFO?
Yeah, flying.
Di ba? Unidentified flying objects. Because of that one kuya, some of the UFOs kasi kuya, kapag nakita siya ng mga tao kuya, and you took a video recordings, some of them kuya vanished immediately. Like, ano kuya ba? They want to hide kuya from the humans. Kasi di ba, what do you observe sa human beings kuya?
But sayang it's debunked, ma'am.
Parang ganun kuya. So what happened to human beings kanina, di ba? We tried kuya to send some of the airships, di ba kuya, to the other kuya na mga nakapalibot sa Earth. Same din sila kuya. They are doing that one also. Pero they are using UFOs kuya. They are looking kuya for some of the planets kuya that is good for habitation o ganun. So di ba, same din ang nangyayari sa humans kuya? Di ba we are looking, I don't know na kuya kung nakabasa ka na ng articles or some of the news kuya sa social media that merong mga nakita kuya ng mga other planets that has water.
Oh, yeah, so,
Di ba? Oh, di ba? A lot. What will happen kuya if yung planet is no water? Do you think humans will, ano kuya? Well, no life. Because kuya, major components kuya of the plants of the humans kuya are water. Di ba we can survive if there is no water? Okay. So sinabi daw po dito. So the fourth-dimensional universe. So this one kuya, I know you know this person. Si Albert Einstein kuya is considered as one of the geniuses kuya that was ever born kuya in the history of humankind. So ibig sabihin kuya, because of Albert Einstein, nahihirapan po tayo today. Because of Albert Einstein na mga na-invent niya kuya, na-discover niya kuya, di ba? Some of the mathematics kuya are very difficult for you to understand. It's because of Albert Einstein.
Okay.
Oh, siya ang nag-ano kuya discover. So this one po develops his theory of relativity. So then the 1930s it was discovered that an atom could be split. You know what's an atom?
Yeah.
Atom kuya,
Very small.
very small. You cannot see it with your naked eye.
Oo,
You can use pa a microscope. So even though microscope kuya, some of you cannot see it in microscope. So the atoms kuya, because of Albert Einstein, he discovered kuya that atoms kuya can be split. Before Albert Einstein discovered it, some of the scientists that was ahead sa kay Albert Einstein, they are standing talaga kuya on their discoveries that atoms cannot be split. Pero what do you think kuya kapag if you are going to be a scientist? Di ba if you have something kuya na discovered, you have to show it kuya because you know that quote kuya that to see is to believe.
Yes.
Di ba kuya if you are going to say to your classmates na, hey classmates, I have an iPhone 17. Di ba they will not they will at the first kuya that they hear kuya what you have said to them, they will not believe because you don't have any proof kuya that you have an iPhone 17. Pero if you are going to say to them, hey classmates, can you please check out my phone? If nakita nila ng iPhone 17, they will be amazed. Oh, you have iPhone 17, this is the latest iPhone. Oh, di ba they will say it to you and they will immediately believe because you showed it to them. You have a proof. It's the same also kuya with the scientists. So this one, at this time kuya, when Albert Einstein explained it kuya to the other scientists that atoms can be split into half kuya, that's the time that the other scientists believe Albert Einstein because di ba kita niya man, he showed it kuya. So nakatry ka ba kuya that for example lang ha, have you ever lost kuya your money before or something?
Yes.
Oh, di ba if na-lost mo yung money mo kuya, you cannot pinpoint kuya to some individuals or to your classmate. For example, you have a classmate named Rooney, di ba? You cannot say it kuya na, Rooney, you stole my money no. Di ba you cannot say it kuya unless you want to drink kuya. Balik agad ha. Or what happened to your
Files.
Your movie?
Yeah, kasi this to earlier.
Yung book ka earlier?
Ayos ko man po.
Saan ka pupunta natin? Go kuya. Okay, continue. So this one, kuya, discovered the atom could be split, kuya, producing a large quantity of energy. Do you believe that atom has an energy? Oh, meron siya. So in the 1940s, practical atomic reactors were built. Since the 1950s, we had power plants that make use of the atomic energy. You know what's a power plants, kuya? What is power plants?
Na like cylinder shape na.
Very good. Ibig sabihin, there's a smoke coming out kuya, and those power plants provided us some electricity, okay, and energy. So in 1964, a scientist discovered much smaller particles that they made. Ano yung name ng much smaller particles?
Quarks.
So if we have an atom in here, the smaller one is tatawagin siyang quarks. So this one, thus today, we know that neutrons, when we say neutrons, what type of charge can be seen in neutron?
I forgot.
That is neutron from the word neutral. Ibig sabihin, the positive charge and the negative charge are both equal or same. Kapag protons, what type of charge?
Negative.
Positive. From proton, positive. Electron, negative. Are no longer the smallest particle that made up objects. Kasi before kuya, the quarks was discovered, on the science field kuya, the neutrons, protons, and electrons are considered as the smallest. Pero when in 1964, when the quarks was discovered, this one, the neutrons and protons and electrons were washed away.
I have a question. Is there a new smallest one?
No kuya, this one, it's the same pa din. So far, as of today kuya, as of the modern times, quarks is the smallest pa din. Wala pang new discovered. You want to discover it? You don't want? Okay, almost all the physical laws concerning the universe were discovered in the middle of the 16th century. So what do you think of all of the people in the world today kuya? Are they born na kuya on 16th century or wala pa? All of us are not born pa kuya. Because 16th century was 400 years ago. O ibig sabihin, it's so very early. Can you imagine kuya your life without Wi-Fi, without
Yes,
cell phone?
easy.
Can you do it? Can you still survive? What do you
Yes,
think?
easy.
How about if your life has no aircon, no electric fan,
Easy.
no lights,
Window.
no windows, no houses?
You're dying or in a house before.
Meron ng house, pero hindi siya yung very convenient na meron na siyang mga aircon or any other things. Can you survive that one?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So ibig sabihin kuya, you can live without those mga cellphone. Age of modern science. It all began with a very few ideas. Those few ideas have grown and continue to grow and have changed rapidly into new ideas. Kung ikaw kuya, if you were given a chance kuya to have a new ideas kuya, ano yung gusto mo na ideas kuya? You want ba a car that is flying?
There's already like that one.
Wala pa,
Wait,
Ba't in the Philippines wala palagi?
Not because it's still not that rare, but it's still there's still a lot.
Oh, ikaw if you want to discover ano kuya, new ideas, what is it daw kuya? You want drive
No school.
No school?
Na new like a cylinder cut in half na put on your head, then it will download knowledge ba from
Oh, it will download knowledge, so you are not going to study anymore
Yeah.
na? Because of those, ano kuya, it will give you the knowledge
But it
automatically.
will most likely kill you, man.
Oh, yeah, it will kill you, kuya. Di ba too much, kuya, will kill you. So this one, it was stated in here, these new ideas lead to discoveries that fuel more ideas and new discoveries. So first, science is a continuous search for knowledge. Ibig sabihin, kuya, if you are curious to a certain thing or if you are learning a new thing, kuya, you are discovering science. Pero automatic, it doesn't mean, kuya, that you are a scientist, ha? You are just learning new things lang. Next, science as a product and a process. When we say product, what does it mean?
Product.
Output, ha? Okay, ha, product. Kapag process,
Input.
the input or you are going to do pa kuya. Science is a product, is an ever-changing body of knowledge. Science is also an ongoing process of investigating and thinking. It is a way of thinking which involves reasoning in a way of investigating, which involves questions, observations, experimentations, and predictions. From time to time ba kuya, you always ask questions kuya. For example, ma'am, how does the car move?
I asked it.
You don't
I
ask that
already
one. You already know na.
I only asked,
What are your
when are
latest?
we gonna go home?
Ganyan lang. What are your latest, ano kuya? Like yung parang curious ka ba? Can you please try to think kuya from last week, from last month, that you are curious to a certain thing?
Yesterday, I'm thinking about, diba, there's this universe lang. Throw a spear.
Ay, you are going to throw a sphere kaya saan did you
And
throw?
then if it passes through the boundary, that means there's more space and galaxies there.
Oh, so ibig sabihin you are trying to kill somebody?
No, just throw lang ba? If it
Mm.
passes through, that means there's more.
More time,
But if
boundaries.
there's like an invisible wall, that means there's still something out there, but something is blocking.
Oh, something is blocking it so that it will not pass through. So next kuya, science continuous search for knowledge, product, and process. Next is science. You know what's pseudoscience and superstition. How about superstition kuya? Di ba, for example, when your mom will say to you, kuya, if there's a black cat passing in front of you, do not continue walking ha? Does your mom say that to you? Wala?
Never.
No, because I think your mom is not, ano kuya, doesn't believe in superstition. How about kuya, ano, does your mom say to you kuya, at night do not cut your nails because you will be, ano kuya, on the next day you will be hurt?
No.
How about, ano kuya?
One that she made up when I'm young.
Superstition. Sige, please try.
Superstition?
Oh, superstition. Just like, ano niya lang kabag, sabihan niya lang kuya so that you will be afraid kuya of doing that one.
When I'm a kid, I always snuggle blankets into each other. And then there's like a hole
Oh,
here.
what did you say to you?
Prince, don't do that, or else when you sleep, the cockroach might go through.
Yun. Well, that is, so far, that is reality naman kuya. Because, yes, that's true then kuya. Because if you are going to snuggle kuya, the blanket inside your body, or not inside your body, but surround your body kuya, the cockroach kasi kuya, if the cockroach will try to enter kuya, the blanket, ibig sabihin, you made kuya a passage kuya, or a way for the cockroach kuya to directly pass through you. Oh, parang ganyan nangyari. That is why, if you are going to snuggle kuya, the blanket, you need to make sure that there's no holes or any kuya, loopholes. No, you can breathe man still inside of the blanket.
Yeah, but the oxygen.
No, di ba, the blanket, you have to put it in here, oh, roll at your face. Are you not afraid of, ano kuya, for example, at night? How do you sleep? The lights on or lights off? Lights off?
Lights off, but the other light is on, so I can still see.
Kasi kuya, I remember kuya, when I was little kuya, my mom said to me, if you are going to sleep kuya, if I am sleeping now at night, di ba, lights off, I will not try to open down my eyes because if I will try to open just like this one, there's a face of the ghost kuya or something, the you know, white lady or any other na mga ano kuya ba, aswang. So that is why kuya, if I try to close my eyes kuya, when if I will try to sleep kuya, I am not opening it na. But I'm just speaking at it just like that one. If there is a face kuya that will appear in me. But that is just a superstition. Okay ha? So science is a process of learning about the natural world that requires the testing of ideas. How about kuya dinosaurs? Do you believe in dinosaurs?
There's a lot of fossils.
Oh, fossils, di ba? Di ba the fossils kuya are the remnants kuya of the dinosaurs kuya that it will prove to us that there's an existence of dinosaurs before, okay? So di ba there's a large bones kuya that nakikita kuya under the earth kuya? It's because of the dinosaurs. Pero what do you think kuya? If there are still dinosaurs living today kuya, would you think kuya the humans will survive?
Yes.
Sure, oy? Di ba like us?
Nukes. Missiles. B2 bomber.
Oh,
B2
how about some of them kuya are flying dinosaurs? They will target the, ano kuya? You will do that one so that they will be that kuya. This is done through the scientific investigation that involves gathering evidence and critical analysis of data. So di ba kuya, if you are going to prove something kuya to somebody, you need to make sure you have evidences because if you are going to straight directly to them kuya and telling them kuya your ideas, they will not believe to you unless you have evidence. It's the same with kuya if you have ano kuya, if you have away with Rooney, di ba if Rooney will say to your mom, mom, or ano yung tinatawag ni Rooney, ma?
Meh.
Meh? Ay, meh. Di ba, mami? Meh. Prince is doing this to me. And you will say, no, I'm not doing it. Oh, see, di ba? Di ba you keep saying that one? It's almost the same with science, kuya. If Rooney will going to report to your mommy, kuya, and your mommy, kuya, look at you, and there's no object, kuya, that you are holding to, kuya, ibig sabihin, your mommy will believe to you. Because,
She always believe Ron.
she always believe Rooney na. How about you? She does not believe you, kuya?
Because scientific facts.
Scientific facts lang. Pero kapag ano lang, kuya, if Rooney will report something to your mommy, kuya, your mommy will instantly believe Rooney. Okay? So parang girly kasi, kuya, no?
But
Okay.
sometimes I can use it to my advantage because Ronnie and I team up and then we put a video of a broken screen sa TV.
So that your mommy, kuya, will be shocked, kuya. TV.
I remember pa.
Oh, so ibig sabihin kuya, you partnered with Rooney. Hindi ka napagalitan? Hindi lang. She said, no mommy, it's just joke lang. Okay, so this is done through scientific investigation, yun na siya. So sa pseudoscience, on the other hand, is any belief presented as scientific despite it not being a product of scientific investigation. So ibig sabihin kuya, sa scientific investigation kasi, you have to do it kuya through what? Observation. So what are the senses kuya we are using if we are going to observe?
Sight, smell,
Sight, smell, touch,
hear,
then
taste.
Very good. So it doesn't mean kuya kapag science, it involves kaagad taste ha? What if we are going to observe this one for the book kuya? What are you going to do with the book? Are you going to taste it? Di ba na?
Yes,
You are just going to look at it, you are just going to touch it, if it is smooth kuya or not smooth.
or hear what make
For example, just like this one. Oh, just like that one. So next po dito. Pero si pseudoscience kuya is the other way around. Is any belief presented just like this one ba? For example, your mommy did not see this book, pero you will say to your mommy, "Ming, if I am opening the Filipino book, it glows." O ibig sabihin kuya, even though without scientific kuya na observation, what if you put pala in here kuya glow in the dark paper? O ibig sabihin kuya, you just said it to your mom kuya so that your mom will make believe. Pero even though it's not the reality, the thing lang is you put a glowing kuya paper just like that one. Next po, an example of this is astrology. Are you fond of astrology kuya? What is your horoscope kuya?
I don't
You don't know? I am Aquarius kuya.
Also ko.
Ano ka?
Aquarius.
Aquarius ka then, so you are born in January, kuya?
January 29.
Ay, January 28. So, ibig sabihin, after my birthday, your birthday na. Wow! I did not expect that one. That is why pala when I said Aquarius, I said also Aquarius because we're almost the same, kuya. So next, kuya, this is a belief that the alignment of the celestial, about celestial bodies. Do you believe that there's a celestial bodies, kuya? Next, as an effect of a human and animal behavior and a person's future. How about this one, kuya? What if somebody will, the fortune teller, you know that one, kuya? The fortune teller will say to you, okay, because this line, kuya, are going this one and not going in here, you will become poor. That is not true, kuya, or that is not legit, kuya, because our future does not rely on our palms, kuya, because some of the fortune tellers, kuya, do the palm reading. For example, they will say to you, okay, because your bones is so very sturdy in here, you are not good in mathematics. Oh, hindi, that is just ano lang.
No, they're telling the truth.
No, oy, ibig sabihin kuya, that is not the truth, kuya. Pero what happened to your, ano kuya, this one lagi? What happened to the bones of this one? Wait, just feel the bones of picture. Feel the bones of picture. Straight lang, sa'yo kuya, parang ganito. Parang meron siyang ano.
Look at my thing. Look at
Okay, however, it was proven by science that the alignment of celestial bodies has no effect on human and animal behavior. You know, kuya, if, di ba, kapag magtitingin ka, for example, tingin ka, di ba, you cannot see any stars, kuya. So some of the stars, kuya, this one have based on the person, kuya, na nagsabi sa akin. If you see daw, kuya, if you are going to look up, kuya, sa sky, and if you see a star, kuya, that is just like that one god, or some, what is the English translation? Blinking, that is not, that is a star. Pero if you see gani, kuya, a huge, kuya, parang light, kuya, pero it's not blinking, that is a planet. Have you heard of that one? Or bago lang? Kasi kuya, when I was little, di ba, our house kuya is in province, di ba? It's bukid, you know what's bukid? Mountain ba? And at night kuya, our roof, kasi kuya, we don't have any roof in our house before. We don't have any roof. So if uulan kuya, we are going to our neighbor's house.
I thought you would take a bath.
No. So if we are going to do this one kuya, if you see kuya, a light that is blinking, that is considered as stars. Pero if you see a light that is not blinking, that is considered as a planet. Pero that is not a fact kuya ha. That is just, ano kuya, passed on unto me. So that, I have some ideas ba? Pero that is not the truth talaga. So next, superstition is a belief that is not usually explained by the methods of natural science. How about this one kuya? Have you ever tried to eat kuya watermelon and you tried kuya to... How about other fruits kuya na merong seeds kuya?
Apple.
Apple, for example, for the apple seed kuya, you tried to, what's the English of swallow it kuya? And your mom said to you, hala pa, you swallow the seed of the apple, it will grow kuya, it will become tree. Hindi siya nagsabi si ma. Oh, that one kuya, before kasi kuya, nakaswallow ako ng watermelon seed and I cried a lot kuya because my mom said to me, hala ka, my nickname is Laloy. He said to me, Laloy, the tree daw kuya will go out at my tummy and it will grow. Ako, I cried a lot, I said na, ma, give me money, let's go to the doctor. I will open my my tummy and get that seed. Pero she just laughed at me because I really cried a lot kuya. If there is a seed kuya na you will swallow, it will become pupu, it will become nani ha. It will not grow to your
But it will might dissolve man.
It will dissolve sa tummy, very good. So it also began from curiosity and observation, but unlike science, no experiment was conducted to test whether the claims were correct or not. For example, some people believe that breaking a mirror brings 7 years of bad luck. You know that one kuya?
Or walking under a ladder.
Oh, or walking under a ladder.
But I believe that I didn't walk on the ladder.
So hindi ka nagawa under ladders? So what if there's this big distance of a ladder?
Because I'm mostly scared of it falling on me.
Okay. So what if there's no other way kuya? Just like walking past through sa talaga ladder?
Get on the ladder then get off.
So ibig sabihin you will be having hard time pa because you are going to get through the ladder first? Para still okay lang sa'yo. So this one, other examples of superstitions are wearing polka dot clothes at the beginning of the year brings more money. Did you wear polka dots? You know what's polka dots? For example, whites, tapos circles of blacks, mga ganon. A black cat crossing one's path brings bad luck. Diba? That's what I said to you. Or a black butterfly means the death of a member of the family. For example, kuya, there's a butterfly kuya that is near to you or that was near to you. Your mom said to you, oops, don't touch that one. That is your lolo. That is your lola. Diba? That is just a superstition.
But I saw a black butterfly then I think like 2 days later the dog died.
So ibig sabihin you think of that butterfly that is a dog? That is a superstition. That is not a reality kuya. However, we must be aware that some of the things that we know now as true came from beliefs too. So the best example is Earth being round. There was a long-standing belief that the Earth was flat, which is correct. So and those who believe that the Earth was round were considered superstitious, if not heretical. But with the proper use of scientific techniques, the flat Earth theory was disproved because it was proven kuya that our Earth is round kuya. So we cannot simplify these myths, ideas as beliefs. Sometimes these so-called word beliefs can become springboards for scientific discoveries.
I have a belief na. Diba, there's the multiverse theory. I want, as I think of it, there's different multiverse where one thing that you see is different, that's a different universe na.
Oh, that's a different universe. I don't know lang kuya kung nakatingin ka kay Doctor Strange. Di ba kay Doctor Strange kasi kuya, he is passing through sa different dimensions. Kasi parang meron niya siyang time stone ba yun? The color green. Di ba siya ang guardian of the time stone? What happened to him kuya? Nag-pass through siya sa mga different dimensions, which is some of the dimensions kuya, hindi kaya ng mga human beings na mamuhay doon because there's no oxygen,
diba,
there's no
paint one.
parang mga ganun kuya. So ibig sabihin that are some examples of superstitions. So this one you're going to discuss the branches of science. When you say branches, what does it mean? Parang mga stems kuya ba? For example, if I have a tree. For example, this is the tree. Tapos this one, this one. Ibig sabihin the stem or the branches. So this one we are going to discuss the branches. Science may be classified into social science and natural science. When we say social science, focuses primarily on study of people. Kapag you are studying people kuya, what science are you taking? That is social science. Study of people, culture, and societies. What do you think kuya? What of the culture of the Filipinos that are different to other countries kuya? Think of the
superstition?
No kuya, this one of the culture of the Filipinos that you think kuya unique kuya that no other country is doing that one.
What's the
When we say
food na?
adobo?
No, egg. Baby egg.
Oh, baby egg, balot. That one, yeah. That is unique kuya because some of the other countries kuya, nakakain balot. Hindi never done. So ibig sabihin you're almost saying to them kuya because the foreigners kuya think of the balot as iwi, as yucky. You feel that way also kuya. Ako kuya,
I feel bad lang.
I feel bad lang. Why do you feel bad? Because you are going to eat the baby duck. Ako kuya, I love eating balot kuya. Pero I don't eat kuya the baby duck. I remove the yellow part. Di ba there's a yellow part? And the parang soup kuya, I love the soup because it's yummy. So this one. So this includes economics, geography, history, law, education, sociology, and psychology. You know what's psychology? Yeah. Psychology means kuya, ibig sabihin, not reading minds kuya. For example, if I will going to watch you, I think the prince is want to have how do you say this one? Ano ba yung kay Jack, yung gina-wear na kuya, tapos parang virtual
Yeah,
reality?
yeah.
O parang ganun. I think ganyan yung iniisip ni Prince. So that is psychology kuya. But it doesn't mean kuya that psychology is about thinking lang ha. Psychology kuya is the way how you act. Kasi some of, di ba there are, you know what's buang?
Ah, yeah,
Di ba buang are crazy? Di ba the actions of the crazy kuya or the buang are not the same with the normal people. Hindi ka, normal people ka man. Okay, so that is considered as social science. Kapag natural science naman, according to its proponents, seeks to understand the natural world and its different processes. Natural science include biology. When you say biology, what does it mean? Study of
Like,
study of
Life.
Or usually we have biology, mga plants kuya, or life. Chemistry, mga mixing of the
Periodic
tables. Mathematics, you have this one. Physics, this
I
one.
have this one.
This one. Natural science can be further divided into pure and applied. So bali kuya, there are two types of science, social and natural. Pero si natural kuya has four main parts pa ha. This one, natural science include this one. Natural science can be further divided into pure and applied. For the pure science is used in the study of new knowledge. Kapag if you are going to study of the new knowledge kuya, you are pursuing pure science. It deals with new discoveries that may or may not have current practical applications. You know kuya, recently lang, there's a lot daw kuya of sea creatures kuya that was unknown to us.
Sea creatures?
You know what sea creatures? Yung mga animals kuya ba,
Ayaw.
living kuya under the sea. Actually kuya, you know kuya, if nagaligo ka kami ng dagat, I am very afraid kuya of the one na ginatapakan ko ba? Yung ginatapakan ko good. Kasi if maapakan ko siya kuya, some of it kuya, mapili ko na, oh, I think this is an octopus or this is some of the sea creatures that has a wide, ganyan.
Wide mouth.
Oh, wide mouth, di ba? Have you experienced that man kuya?
Is there a sea worm?
O parang mga ganun kuya, mga sea worms that is passing through our feet kuya.
The sun ba?
Oo.
I saw the sun moving with sun.
Yeah. Di ba, ang isa din sa ganyan kuya, that is why I'm afraid kuya of walking kapag sa sea kuya, is the sea urchin. You know what that one?
Ay, oo.
Di ba, it's very poisonous kuya? O, sakit na sa kayo. Pero nakatry ka na, gusto ka na sea urchin wala pa. Okay, so this one kuya. So two current practical applications. In general, pure science can be divided into further into two divisions. So ibig sabihin kuya, from natural and social, si natural has, ano ganyan siya? Two subparts. The pure and pure and applied. So this one, si pure kuya, meron pa siyang two parts pa kuya. Ano yung two parts? In general, can be divided further into two divisions. The physical and the biological. When you say physical, the one that you can touch, the one that you can see, physically.
So
Okay?
chemistry, mathematics, and physics.
Parang ganun. Pero this one's a natural ito, parang ganun kuya. So this one, and biological science. When we say biological kuya, it almost the same with biology. So this one, physical sciences are those that involve the study of non-living things. Can you please give me an example of non-living things? Very good. Aside this one kuya, because this is man-made man, yung non-living things that is not man-made.
I mean, soil.
Soil. Aside sa soil, rocks.
I can't say plants.
You cannot say plants. Very good. Because they are living things man kuya. So next po kuya. So these groups include, we have the physics, the science that deals with matter, energy, and the interactions between them. Chemistry kuya, the science that deals with matter, its composition, structure, and properties, the changes it undergoes, and the energy accompanying these changes. So ito yung siya yung dalawa. Ay, tatlo pala kuya. So bale, tatlo kuya yung involvement.
You know storm chasing?
Storm chasing, hindi ba yun siya yung considered as storm surge? Iba siya? Ano yun siya kuya? It chases kuya the humans?
No, storm chasing.
What does it mean? Sige na, explain na.
Teams of people like that are famous. I know.
Okay, YouTubers?
No, YouTubers and storm chasers. Read them or Team Dominator. That's the same.
What are they doing kuya?
They chase storms to get valuable information.
They can chase the storms? Paano they do
Their
that?
car, you search
So
YouTube,
ibig sabihin they are using cars? Pero the storm kuya are very fast man. That is moving fast.
moving fast, so they get in the way because they turn their car into a big, heavy probe, and then they have rocketry. You search na
Ay,
lang.
grabe as in. Meron ganyan? Okay, search
Dominator
natin.
3 car.
So ibig sabihin kuya, what are those valuable things kuya na nakuha nila?
Wind speeds, how the sensor is moving around.
Oh,
in time.
for example, mga thunders, lightning, they also divide din na. It's very, kasi for example, if you are going to participate that one in the storm chasing, I think it's very critical kuya because, di ba, in every storm there is lightning and thunder. The very, the very harmful is the thunder or something lightning because it will struck you kuya. Don't you know if you are going to, if you will be struck kuya by a lightning, you will be dead kuya instantly?
Not dead instantly. There's a man that survived.
Naman nakasurvive? Oh, I think kuya, pag ganun kuya, I think he has a lot of luck, pag ganun ba? So for this one, meron tayong pang tatlo. Ang pang tatlo kuya is tinatawag natin siyang Earth Science. So the science that deals with the study of Earth and its composition. So the processes that happen in its interior surface. Do you believe kuya na yung Earth po natin has merong core, merong mantle, merong crust, ganun? So this one, as we dig deeper kuya with our Earth kuya, you know that as we dig deeper with our Earth, it's hot kuya. Okay, it's almost the same kuya if we are going outside the Earth kuya, it's also very hot. Diba? The temperature of sun kuya instantly, for example lang, if human beings are going to directly hit the sun kuya, you know kuya, that the spaceship will explode and also your body will be burned kuya. So that is the example of this one. But for the Earth Science, it focuses only on the Earth kuya ha. How about meteors? Nakita ka na meteors? Meteor showers? Hindi ako nakita na ko kuya. Pero I thought before kuya, no, it was very fast expression. So, I thought before when I was little kuya, that is an airplane lang. Pero hindi pala siya kuya, it is meteor kuya. So this one includes the study of non-living things such as rocks, soils, clouds, rivers, oceans, planets, stars, and meteors. It also covers the weather and climate systems that affect the Earth. Meteorology. So when you say meteorology, what does it mean? They are the scientists who are studying
weather. So like storm chaser.
Parang ganun kuya. Study weather and climate. Ang Earth scientists naman investigate how geologic features form on land and in the oceans. So usually kuya, si Earth scientists and si geologists, sila yung mga gold miners kuya. Diba? The gold mines kuya, you can see it kuya beneath the earth kuya. Oh, so usually sila yung mga meron pa kana dito. For the geologists, study rock and geologic feature. So this one kuya, if we are going to look at this one, here are kuya the some parts kuya or the study kuya on the different parts kuya of these sciences. For the physics kuya is we have kinetics. How does we move? Nuclear physics ito very ito kuya harmful. You know nuclears kuya, if kapag mag-explode god, even though you are very far away, the nuclear gas kuya, if you inhale it kuya, you will be
or
ill.
what do you call that again?
The
What do you call that again? Sa nuclear bomb.
nuclear bombing, di ba? Meron siyang ganun kuya. So this one po, for the nuclear physics, after that one is meron tayong tinatawag na quantum
my
mechanics.
favorite.
Your favorite. Aeronautics kuya. Ibig sabihin mga aerospace. Solid state physics, theoretical physics. You want to be a scientist na? You have to learn all of this one. So this one, acoustics, optics. When you say optics, hindi siya yung usually mata kuya. kuya, pero it deals with the study of optics, ibig sabihin, the composition, ang ganun. Electromagnetism, relativity, and we have chemistry, analytical, inorganic, nuclear, organic, qualitative, and quantitative. For the earth science, astronomy, geology, kapag hydrology, what does it mean?
Water.
Study of water, very good. So, do you believe ba kuya that the salt water or the ocean water can be drink, kuya? Hindi, di ba siya?
They can be drink, but
Pero you need to process. No, i-process mo siya.
Hydrate you.
Very good. Oceanography, seismology, what does seismology means?
Small people.
It's the small people. Ibig sabihin, this is the study of the science, kuya, about the seismic movement kuya, of the earth. Next, the soil science. You know, kuya, not all of the soil, kuya, in the world is color black, ha? Kasi
No.
in Cotabato, kuya, we have red soil.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there are soils na color red, color yellow.
I was thinking about that.
Oh, meron mga ganyan, kuya. Di ba usually, ang nakikita natin dito kuya sa Davao, it's black. Pero some other parts of the world, kuya, iba-iba siya ng color. I don't think so lang if meron color blue. Pero in ano kuya, in Cotabato, we have color red. If it is color red, kuya, you need to be careful, ha? It's very slidey. I mean ba, if you're going to walk on it, you'll be, this one ba? What's the English of it? Oh, it's slippery pala. Okay?
I will slide on it.
This one, volcanology, study of volcanoes. So how about kuya, if you are going to study the volcanoes, would you go kuya to the mouth of the volcanoes? You are not going to go to the
If
mouth.
there's inactive lang.
Oh, if they are inactive. Pero what if they are active? Hindi pwede because diba that is very hot. What if the rope kuya that was attached to you will melt? Oh, ibig sabihin you will study inside the volcano. Ibig sabihin you will die because diba hot very masyado yung lava. So this one po kuya. So overlapping sciences, astrophysics, atmospheric physics, geochemistry, physical geology, and soil chemistry. So dito for the biological science or the biology involve the study of living things. So ibig sabihin if you are studying human, if you are studying animals, if you are studying plants or any other na living things, you are considered as pursuing biological sciences or biology. This group includes all the subspecialties in biology. Do you believe kuya that human beings came from apes?
Yes.
Parang we have similarities kasi kuya, no? Pero Orangutan? Okay, parang ganun kuya. So the table on the next pages lists these sciences and their overlapping sciences with the physical sciences. How about this one kuya? Zoology. What does it mean?
About animals? Mostly.
Very good. About animals ito kuya. So this one is meron din tayong tinatawag na botany. When we say botany, what does it mean?
I hope that wala.
Ha?
Kana. It's not iPad, I know.
No, it's not iPad. Parang siyang a little bit of tablet.
Tablet ba?
Parang siyang tablet kuya. Okay, so this one, when we say botany kuya, that is the study of plants ha. Physiology kuya, study of,
Fish.
it's not fish,
Physical.
study of our physical kuya. Okay, inside our body. Anatomy, same then. Histology, study of history. Psychology, almost study of crystals kuya. Genetics, study of genes natin kuya. So I think kuya, someday if you will become a dad or if you have children, I think they will get your ano kuya, this one, your towering nose.
And then if Ronnie will have will be a wife, she will flat nose.
Because Ronnie has a flat nose kuya. Your nose is very ano ba? I like that nose kuya. Oh, what do you think of your nose? Is it high or
One po,
your nose is much
9.5.
higher. Your is 11 kuya. Because you have this one, oh, you have a bones in here. Teacher tells us doesn't have a bones. This one, oh. That's why your nose is ano kuya. I think you get that nose to your dad and also to your mom.
No, dad lang.
Dad lang, no? Your dad is a very ano kuya, high than nose niya.
Like this.
Pero don't stretch your hair because you will get the hair eh. But you do your hairstyle just like this one. You put it a little bit kuya, lower.
But at the RP is like,
Sino si RP?
tatay.
Your dad. Ay tama, the dad of your dad.
No, the dad, my dad.
Eh, your dad? Ay, meron din siya kaya kuya. Okay. Next po is meron tayong tinatawag na taxonomy, agriculture. How about agriculture? Di ba your mom kuya has meron siyang mga rice plantation?
Yeah.
How about this one kuya? You don't want to study this one? Agriculture?
Don't want.
You don't want. Biochemistry, biophysics, paleontology, astrobiology, human genetics, ecology, study of ecosystem, agricultural chemistry. For the applied sciences naman kuya, on the other hand, use the discoveries of the pure sciences to create practical solutions to existing problems and create products that can be used in actual settings. So this one kuya, for the applied sciences po, usually nakikita po siya sa ating existing problems and create products that can be used in actual settings. Ano ba yung mga actual settings natin? Applied sciences. What do you think of ano kuya? Like yung science ba yun siya kuya, for example, operations in our body? That is considered also science ha? It's very hard na kuya, for example, if you were struck by a spoon. If you were struck by a spoon kuya, the first instruction kuya is you are not going to remove the spoon ha? Because the blood will go up to your body. Ibig sabihin kuya, you will have blood loss. Ibig sabihin, that is why kuya, I always laugh about that one ba? Because, ano ganun yung English ng kiliti kuya? This one ba? The tickle part, I have a tickle part in my neck kuya. I have a scenario in my mind kuya. What if someone will stab me in here? Since it's the tickling part for me kuya, I think if they will stab me, I will I will do that one. Di ba? It was instructed to us that you are not going to remove it. Ibig sabihin if they were going to bring me to the hospital, even though I have a knife in here. So ibig sabihin,
But I have a question pa. Dali,
chin.
What stab na short knife, but na mouth here? You see the knife? Will it kill you or no?
It will not kill you instantly kuya because it's far away from the from the mind. And the most critical part kuya is at the head and also at the heart. So that is why you need to be mindful kuya dito sa heart.
The neck?
For the neck kuya, I think you will kuya, you will leave. Kasi before kuya, meron akong nakita. You know what's the anchor? The anchor kuya, the one na gina-thrown down kuya ba if the ship kuya will land.
That's here.
Oo. The ano kasi kuya, the anchor kuya, na para siyang, kuya ba, it's not flash out, pero parang siyang natamaan kuya yung tao. Pero, yung anchor kuya was stuck in here, sa tummy ng tao. So, pero hindi siya namatay because it's far from the heart, far from the head.
But the neck?
But the neck kuya, I think, pero there are crucial kasi kuya na veins in here. If matamaan yun sa kuya, you will be instantly killed. Parang
And
ganun.
then here, you can die from shock.
From shock, this one, sa spinal cord. That is why, if this one, magiging disabled ka kuya, you cannot walk, you cannot move this one, because all of our movements kuya are controlled by the spine. Where did you learn that one? That one, how did you know that one? You watch it in the internet?
No.
Where did you, Kaya kung nag-advance study ka ba?
No.
Okay. So this one, pinakalas na discuss. Si applied sciences, on the other hand, use the discoveries of the pure sciences to create practical solutions to existing problems and create products that can be used in actual setting. Examples of these are engineering. So that is applied sciences because all of those things kuya that we learned kuya are applied. Ibig sabihin, it was undertaken before na kuya. Medicine, you want to be a doctor someday? You know, what's your dream pala kuya na course someday?
Huh?
What's your dream pala na job someday?
Like game developer or
Ay,
website?
so you're almost the same with Jeko. You know what? Jeko said, teacher, someday if I will grow up, I want to be gamer. Just like streamer do kuya ba?
Streamer, but game
Oo,
developer.
but as a game developer, what games do you want kuya specifically to develop kuya?
I'm making one with
Parang war na games?
No, time bomb.
Time bomb games? So, you have to, ano it? How do you say, defuse?
No, you have a bomb and then you have to give it to the other person before they...
Before it will explode. So ibig sabihin kuya, you have to chase those, your enemy because you have to give the bomb to them.
But it's a good starter game because of the kids.
The kids.
to play.
Okay.
Take advantage.
Take advantage. Electronics, environmental science, and computer science. So ibig sabihin, on the following kuya discussion, we will discuss the great men and women of sciences. This one, you will learn kuya the names of the one who kuya, or the scientist who gave us kuya the ideas of the sciences before. Just like this one, she's a Filipina. This one, these are the foreigners,
But what
Filipinos. This one kuya, ang gigawa niya po,
Like my
she is
mama.
called Finnish Bachelor of Science. She earned Master's Doctorate Biochemistry. She served as Dr. Cruz research focused on extracting toxins. Ibig sabihin kuya, getting toxins from deadly comb snails. You know what's a comb snails?
Yeah.
That is a snail kuya yung mabagal maglakad. Okay, ibig sabihin, some of the snails kuya are toxins. Pero ano yung ginawa niya? She extracted those toxins kuya and make useful substances. You know kuya, some of the dangerous snakes kuya in the earth, for example, king cobra, they are extracting the toxins kuya or the venom kuya of the of the snake kuya and make antivenom. Good. How did you know it? Why? You're studying advanced. So this one, iwan lang natin ito dito or we will bring this one sa taas. What do you think?